Okay, welcome back. This lesson we will be talking about the grammar. The grammar sometimes in any language, any given language, the grammar is a little bit difficult. But in Somali also, it's just like English or any other language. It's difficult. It will take for a while the person to understand when to use simple present or present continuous or past. But I think I can help you with that, and we can learn together. Grammar verb to be نحو فعل كأهانشها. So what I put here is the subject, I, you, he, she, and here is the tenses like present tense and present continuous. If I'm talking about I, something that I do every day, like anigu biyo ayaan cabaa maalin kasta. I drink water every day. Aniga biyo ayaan cabaa maalin kasta. I drink water every day. So the verb ab is drink. When I add this to a minus abba, that when I'm talking about myself, I drink water every day. Adigu, whether that's you, whether you're talking about female or male, it will be same. It will be abta. Biya ayad abta maalin kasta. You drink water every day. He, it will be abba. He drinks. She will be different. Will be biyo ayay abta. T double A. Abta ayay abta maalin kasta. Present continuous will be will change as you see it here. Abaya, aniga biyo ayan abaya hada. I'm drinking water now. Adiga, whether that's also female or male, if she's talking about you, if you're talking about you, you will be using biyo ayad abaysa hada. Biyo ayad abaysa hada. He, biyo ayan abaya. Biyo ayan abaya hada. I'm drinking water now. She, biyo ayay abaysa. She's drinking water now. That says present continuous. Let's put here some verbs and nouns and sentences. Unfortunately, I didn't put this one with English, so hopefully that I will try my best to translate while I'm going on. Aniga, I, biyo ayaan waxaan cabaa maalin kasta markii aan shaqaynayo. I drink water. I drink water every day when I'm working. I drink water every day when I'm working. Biyo means water. This word B-I-Y-O, that means water. Ayan, waxaan. This is what I will say. It's a verb to be. That's how this is the verb. Abba, that's a drink. Abba, drink. Abba. Maalin means day. Kasta, every day. Markii aan shaqaynayo, when I'm working. Markii aan shaqaynayo, when I'm working. So aniga waxaan cabaa biyo. Aniga waxaan aadaa school. I go to school every day. Aniga waxaan qoraa warqad maalin kasta. I write a letter every day. So you see, I mean, there's a common aba, qora, and wada. I drive a car every day, wada. So these two A will go behind the verb when you're talking yourself and every day. In the next lesson, I will try to list number of verbs with the either simple present or present continuous. Okay, aniga biya ayan abaa maalin kasta. Okay, here is ayan waxaan. You can use only this one and leave this one, or you can only use one. Biyo ayaan abaa maalin kasta. Or you can say biyo waxaan, or you can say waxaan abaa biyo maalin kasta. Waxaan abaa biyo maalin kasta. And you can leave this one. Waxaan abaa biyo maalin kasta markii aan shaqaynayo. So you will see people, either they will use this when they're talking about simple present, or they will use this. Anigu biyo ayaan or waxaan cabayaa hadda. Anigu biyo ayaan cabayaa hadda. Anigu biyo ayaan cabayaa hadda. Or waxaan cabayaa biyo hadda. Waxaan cabayaa biyo hadda. You can say both ways, and you can use one of these. Biyo ayaan cabayaa hadda. Waxaan cabayaa biyo hadda. Same. Maalin kasta. Okay, isaga, he. Okay, Hassan. We're talking about Hassan. He. Mel. Biyo ayuu cabaa maalin kasta. Ama Hassan wuxuu cabaa biyo maalin kasta. Hassan. Okay. Hassan. We will skip here. Wuxuu cabaa biyo maalin kasta. Hassan biyo ayuu cabaa. I put these two ways because to teach you, you can say both ways. Isagu, he, Hassan, biyo ayuu cabayaa hadda. Look, ayaa iyo ayuu, that's two different ways. Hopefully that you will not be surprised the way that I'm pronouncing those words. But Hassan, biyo ayuu cabayaa hadda. Wuxuu cabayaa biyo hadda. Same sentence, same meaning, but either you will use this or you will use this. Iyadu, Faduma, biyo ayay cabtaa maalin kasta. Faduma, she drinks water every day. Waxay cabtaa biyo maalin kasta. Waxay cabtaa biyo maalin kasta. Iyadu, Fadumo, biyo ayay cabaysaa hadda. Iyadu, biyo ayay cabaysaa hadda. She's drinking water now. Waxay, or you can say waxay cabaysaa biyo. She's drinking water now. Ficil, verb, aniga, I, plus nouns, ayaan, plus verb. This is how I say. This is what makes the sentence, present sentence. This one, when you're using past or future, it will change. But this mostly it use simple present. Okay, verb to be. Aniga cunto ayaan cunaa maalin kasta. Aniga cunto ayaan cunaa maalin kasta. I eat food every day. But I want to tell you, when you're building in a sentence in English language and when you build in sentence in Somali language, it doesn't go together one word by word. Aniga, that means I. Cunto, food. Ayaan, I am cunaya, eating maalin kasta. Cunaa, that means I eat. The word see in Somali, it pronounced a, like Arabic. This C. So if you cannot pronounce, you can skip the whole C, instead pronounce it like a K, and you can say unto, or you can say una, if you have a problem with pronouncing the word a. Anigo cunta ayaan cunaa maalin kasta. I eat food every day. Aniga cunto ayaan cunayaa hadda. I am eating food now. Hadda means now. Cunayaa means eating. We're doing right now. Aniga, I cunto ayaan cunayaa hadda. I am eating food now. Aniga TV-ga ayaan wararka ka daawadaa maalin kasta. I watch TV every day. I watch the news TV every day. Alright, let's go next. Cunuga, like Hassan, like present and Hassan is a child. Caano ayuu cabaa maalin kasta. You can say either the name or you can say the pronoun, which is the pronoun cunuga. Cunuga means the child. Cunuga caano ayuu cabayaa. Caano ayuu cabaa maalin kasta. Cunuga caano ayuu cabaa maalin kasta. The child drinks milk every day. Okay, ama Hassan caano ayuu cabaa maalin kasta. Or Hassan drinks water every day. Milk. Caano. The word caano means milk. When you're putting in English, you don't need to put those two words, but this is the correct way. Okay, cunuga caano ayuu cabayaa. The child drinking milk. Hassan caano ayuu cabayaa. Hassan drinking milk now. Somali people, we are nomadic people. We love camels, cows, and we drink a lot of water. I mean milk and fresh milk. Um, Ano, it's kind of like our common daily, food that what we eat or drink every day. He, isagu, noun, you abaya. When I'm saying, what I mean this is that he, you will put the subject or the pronoun plus a you or a ya plus verb. That's how you can build a sentence. Let me go and tell you some of these words. More verbs. Eat. Eat. Cunto ayaan cunayaa. I'm eating food. Aqri, read. Kitab, book ayaan aqrinayaa. Interesting, both that we use for book either are Arabic or English. The word book, it's just like book. The word kitab, it's just in Arabic, which means I believe book. Aqri, that means iqra, also this word is Arabic and we use it, read. Aqri kitabka. Kitabka buga ayaan aqrinaya. I'm reading the book. Qor means qor means I think this is not right. Qor means write. It's not read. Qor means write. Warqat ayaan qoraya. I'm writing a letter. It's not read. It's a read. Write. I mean. Warqat ayaan qoraya. I will try to correct it later on. Warqat ayaan qoraya. I'm writing a letter, not reading. Look means leg. Lugain, socod, walk. Look means leg, and also look means walk. Or you can use this other word, socod, walk. Waan lugaynaya. I'm walking. Seexo, sleep. Waan seexanaya. I'm going to bed. Ama waan seexday. If you say that will be past. Waan seexanaya. I am sleeping. That means that you are going to bed and you want to sleep. Ab means drink. Caano ayaan cabaya. Next lesson, I will put number of verbs, and only we will give simple present and also first person. I hope that it's not confusing. If you do have a question, let me know. Thank you very much. Goodbye.